Hey everyone, how's it going? I want to come on here and talk about some Gorilla Snot. I want to come and talk about one of my hair care products that I use, and that is the Moco de Gorilla Snot Gel. And as you can see, it comes in a very big bottle. 11.9 ounces, made by Natural Labs, Gorilla Snot Gel, and I have the Extra Brilliant, Extra Shine Hold. As you can see, it's written in Spanish and in English. Like I said, this bottle is 11.9 ounces and has extra shine, and that it does. I really love this product. I use this mainly, like if I have a hairstyle where I'm going to need some really strong hold, like as you can see right here, this hold meter is on 10, and you do just want to use a bit. I will show you the consistency of it. Oh, it is really some Gorilla Snot Gel. But I like to use this when I have a hairstyle where I need a really strong hold, or I want to do something really cute with my edges and I want to lay them down and have them really cute. Then I want to use this because it is a really strong molding gel. It does have natural ingredients in it. We're going to go over the ingredients. Again, strong hold, but then there's no residue or flakes, which is a product plus, as a lot of different gels can, after a while, start to flake up and then you look like you have dandruff when you really don't. It's the hair product and people will think it's you, but no. So there's no residue, no flakes. Again, like I said, I use it on my edges. I like to use it in ponytails, or if I have to have my bangs in a certain way or something like that. It is made by Natural Labs, made in Mexico, and Natural Labs was founded in 2005. So when you get it, it is going to come just like this in the stores. And a very easy open bottle, and it always sits upside down because you want to just have it like sitting under wherever you keep your hair care products is where you're going to have it sitting. But I just happen to have mine sitting under the sink because I don't use it every day, but I want to keep it somewhere that's dry and room temperature. So, and this is actually quite a lot. It is going to be pretty sticky. It's really great for holding. So you can see there, you get a better idea. This is a great product that doesn't get sticky and flaky and tacky in your hair, and then your hair looks all bristly by the end of the day. Okay, so that was the consistency of it that you saw, and then let's go ahead and check out the description of the Snot Gel. Create extra shiny hairstyles that your fans will not be able to resist. It's so cute. Gorilla Snot Gel Galan. Extra shine will make you call attention to yourself non-stop because of its long-lasting improved hold effect and awesome shine, baby. Yes. And let's see, its advanced residue-free formula also nurtures your hair because of the natural ingredients. Snot your hair. And then to use it, you just apply a portion of the Gorilla Snot Gel on your fingers and start styling. Yes. And you can get more information on the product and the company at mocodegorilla.tv. And you can see how much I paid for this bottle, and then you also see how large this bottle is and how much you need to use. So it is going to last you a good long while. That's something that I definitely love to have when I need something for that really, really strong hold. Of course, as you can see by the size, it is well over the limits for TSA and for flying. So if you had to take this, I would either suggest putting some of it into something that's more travel size. However, it's going to be so hard to clean that bottle out, so it will have to be designated for just your snot gel. So you would have to put it in that, or you would have to use up the space with this big bottle and have it as in your checked-in bag. But you know, that is just totally up to you what you would like to do with the hair gel. Again, the bottle's pretty big. It's not going to be fitting comfortably in a bag or purse. Yes, it can go in there, but it's going to be big and awkward. So you'll definitely still want to put it in something smaller if you just have to have your snot gel with you. Very durable bottle. I've had this, oh gosh, I've had this for maybe 7-8 months, I want to say. I've had it for quite some time. Nothing has broken. It's holding up very good, no leakage or anything like that. So I'm very happy with how it's kept up and just with the overall product itself. It's very good. So thanks for watching. That is the Moco de Gorilla Snot Gel, a really strong holding hair gel. Bye.